We have a question from the community, from the free space. They was asking, can we cover Cooper for today? I would say, Fabio, maybe you can show what we cover with Cooper, what tools we deliver for Cooper traders.
Yeah, absolutely.
And yeah, this will be cool.
Yeah, so Copper, ticker is HG. So we have the different futures here. One thing we must learn about, especially the metals and the energy, is that sometimes the futures trade in the next month, but the option actually is further away because people are not buying option that expire on the next month. So we always have to look at the data that is available on the option side. So if we go on Copper, we probably want to see our net jacks on HEZ 2024. So let's look at this contract. All right. So we can get our net gamma exposure chart on the contract here. You see the different levels, the different bars. We can also look at the multi-expiration. And again, HGZ 2024. So we can see how the different participants are positioned in the market, and then we can also get our levels. So very easy. So I can plot my levels here, go back to my chart, open the future, add the levels to the indicator. Right. Then I have it here. One thing that is also very relevant is the correlation between certain asset to metals like copper. So for example, like we talked about, there's a video on YouTube that we did a few weeks ago about copper and Australian dollars. We did one about oil and Canadian dollars. So one thing that we can also do is we can actually come here and get the levels for our 6A Z2024. So our Australian dollar future, right? And you will answer, why do we need that? And I'll just show you in a second. So we type it in here, and then what we can do is we can convert our 6AZ, so our 6A levels into our copper levels. And let's see what we have here. So now we have our copper levels, which are this one, and we also have our Australian dollar level, which are this one here. So again, high correlation, same principle as blind spot. We can use a different asset that we have to potentially plot it into our futures, our commodities, anything that you want to have.